Hey guys, I'm here at St.Albert Dodge. Today we got this 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK Unlimited Sport here. As you can see, we got some aftermarket alterations done to it. Nice black color. At the front end here, we do have the aftermarket bumper and our nice aftermarket grille here, giving it that mean kind of, honestly, Darth Vader kind of look to it. You got your headlights there. We do have these off-road aftermarket tires, giving it a really nice look with the black wheels and the aggressive tread there. Trail rated badging, Sport and Wrangler JK Unlimited badging right there. You got your defrosting mirrors, running boards on this one for anyone who might need to take a little hop in there. You got your tail lights, spare tire. You do got your backup camera on there as well. Hook on the back, you got your hitch, and then you do have your 7-pin right there. Open this guy up. We got lots of room in the back here, as well as a nice cargo liner from the previous owner. We do underneath here have a little bit more storage space for you. Anyway, stick around, we'll go check out the inside. Hey guys, here we are inside the Wrangler here. You got your nice leather wrapped Jeep steering wheel with the logo in the center there. You got your hands-free controls on the left side. You got your cruise controls on the right. On the odometer here, we do got 74,000 kilometers, just about 75. Power locks right here. You got all of your power windows in the center here, which is a little bit different than normal. We do have our Bluetooth media right here. You can connect your phone on there, take calls, as well as listen to whatever songs you do like. 12-volt charger. We do got all of our climate controls right here. Traction control, you do got hill descent controls to make sure you don't got to ride down your brakes. And then you got all of your four-wheel drive settings, as well as your shifter just to the right. We got our park brake, a couple cup holders, and then our lockable center console here. You got the top portion and then the bigger bottom portion right there for some more storage for you. Glove box is also lockable. Since in these Wranglers you actually can take the top off relatively easily. You just pop all of the hooks here and then just push right up and it'll. Anyway guys, yeah, and then in the back seat we do have the same nice cloth seats as the front. You can fold them down for a little bit more storage in the back, but not too much to go over back there. Anyway, if you do want to know more about the Wrangler here, give me a call on my cell, 780-905-1831. I'll look forward to talking to you. Have a good one, guys.